So guys, these are larvae. If you have chicken, they can enjoy. Yeah? You see? Yeah. It's not the local, It's not the local maggots, Yeah, this is not the local maggots. As you can see, there are many. Ooh, look at these ones. Good. If you have chicken, poultry, chicken, pigs, you can come and buy. The fish ponds, even the cow. Yee! Yeah, let's go to another stage. So guys, we are going to feed together to these the birds. Yeah, Jesus Christ. As you can see, they started enjoying. Jesus Christ, wow. They are enjoying, and even as you can see, the size. They are big. Jesus Christ. So, yeah, don't fear. You can come and buy. Those who want to learn about this black soldier fly, and even to get this maggot. Oh, Jesus Christ. Wow. Yeah. You see the other one is scared, They're scared to come. They feared me, Jesus Christ. You come and enjoy. Oh. Okay, we go to the next stage. Jesus. Oh my God. Look at these ones. They take a lot of. Okay.